Introducing our durable stainless steel Defender Bird Spikes, the ultimate solution for pest control. Made from high-quality stainless steel, these spikes are designed to withstand over 480 hours of continuous use. With a capacity of 50 spikes per pack, our bird spikes are ideal for areas up to 20 square meters. Made by the trusted brand Jinglong, these sustainable spikes are solid, fragrance-free, and require no power source. Perfect for supermarkets and all-season use. Get rid of unwanted birds with our effective and reliable bird spikes.